Brexit, Ceann Comhairle, is the political, economic and diplomatic challenge of our generation. The government has been clear on our objectives, robust in our negotiations and thorough in our planning. We will remain at the heart of the European Union and open to the world. We will protect our hard-won peace. We will implement responsible but ambitious policies for the future of our country. So the most important next step is to conclude the negotiations on the withdrawal agreement, including the backstop to ensure no hard border in Ireland, and the political declaration on the future relationship between the EU and the UK. Once that is concluded, the transition period will be in place until the end of 2020, and negotiations on the future relationship can move ahead. And of course, in these negotiations, we acknowledge our unique shared past. We acknowledge our social, our economic and cultural links. So this is why Ireland will press for the closest possible relationship across the UK. Across the government, the necessary measures to prepare for Brexit are being put in place. Those plans are based on a central case that there will be agreement in the coming weeks. However, the possibility of a no-deal Brexit has influenced decisions we have made regarding our finances, balancing our books and investing in our capital infrastructure.